Xiaomi revealed the dates of the announcement of the Xiaomi Mi 10 in China and in the world. Also, Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro poses in first live look. So Xiaomi has officially confirmed that the announcement of the flagship smartphone Xiaomi Mi 10 will take place during an online press conference, which is scheduled for February 13. Simultaneously, the Xiaomi Mi 10, a new flagship tablet, can be introduced, according to the leaked official poster. In addition, the world premiere of the Xiaomi Mi 10 will be held in Barcelona on February 23, before the start of the largest mobile exhibition, Mobile World Congress 2020. Finally, source published real photos of the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro in the hands of the user. Xiaomi promises to install a dream screen in Mi 10. Li Jun, the CEO of Xiaomi, published information of the displays of the upcoming smartphones of the Mi 10 model on his Weibo account. Their parameters are really amazing. The screen refresh rate will be 90 Hz, which is a very high indicator. Even more impressive is the frequency of the polling sensor layer, a parameter that directly affects the response speed of the smartphone. It is 180 Hz, which is significantly higher than the latest iPhone models, in which this value reaches only 120 Hz. The manufacturer of AMOLED screen is Samsung. Displays support the extended dynamic range of HDR10+. It is also worth mentioning the incredibly high just noticeable color differences indicator JNCD 0.55. For example, the iPhone 11 Pro Max has a JNCD of 0.9. Xiaomi calls the new displays a dream screen. The final characteristics of the smartphones of the Mi 10 line will be announced tomorrow during an online presentation. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.